The UDC 5929518001 deck belt is a heavy-duty replacement belt that fits a wide range of 54-inch Husqvarna and RedMax zero-turn mowers, making it a practical choice for owners with compatible models. Its aramid cord construction and natural rubber body give the belt excellent strength and flexibility, so it can handle demanding mowing conditions without stretching out quickly. The belt is designed with a carefully matched width and length to maintain proper tension and smooth power transfer to the mower deck. A 2-layer outer wrap helps the belt resist cracking and fraying, which is especially valuable if you mow frequently or in dusty, abrasive environments. Users will appreciate that this belt is engineered to stand up to friction and wear, providing a longer service life than many generic alternatives. Overall, it is a reliable, well-built deck belt that helps keep a compatible zero-turn mower cutting evenly and running smoothly through regular use.